Hi friends, today we're talking about congruency in triangles using side, side, side versus side, angle, side. Let's take a look. So grab your notebook, write these down, so that way you have some notes. All right, we have two triangles here, and we've been told that this side is congruent to this side here, and then this side here is congruent to this side, and the angles in between them are also congruent. It's critical that the angle in between them are congruent for side, angle, side. Okay, with that said, we need to write a congruency statement. So let's start this one off by QYT. You'll notice I did the 1 dash and then the 2 dash, right? We have to do the same thing here. That will help us with our congruency statement because it's got to be in order. So if we do the 1 dash to the 2 dash here, we get CKP. All right, let's take a look at another one. So for example number 2, we are given these guys right here. Now, in the case of these triangles, I often like to say there's obvious but not givens that are in your triangles. One of those obvious but not givens is the reflexive property, meaning two triangles share a wall. So this guy right here shares a wall, which means if I were to split up those triangles, angle or side AC and AC would also be congruent, right? Splitting up your triangles if they're attached can help you until you really get a handle on writing your congruency statements. Because in this case, well, first things first, we know that these are congruent because side, 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 side. So these are congruent by side, side, side. So regarding those congruency statements, you can, it doesn't matter with the order of the first one, but I like to do the 1 dash and then the 2 dash, the 3 dash. So I'm gonna say A, D, C, because then that helps me on the next one. I have to do the 1 dash, then the 2 dash, then the 3 dash. So if I do that, it's CBA. So it's triangle CBA. And so you'll notice that AC is congruent to CA because the placement of those letters is vitally important. So sometimes the letters get swapped around based on how the triangles are formed. Okay, and so for another one here, all right, let's take a look at this guy. This one has two sides that are the same, but it has an angle that's the same. However, that angle is not in the middle, so it cannot be side, angle, side. You cannot have angle, side, side. You cannot have angle, side, side. That cannot prove your triangle congruent because that third side could be a different length if you only have one angle out on the, that's not in between those. So hopefully you've taken some good notes in your notebook. If you have any questions, let your teacher know. We'll see you next time.